Greatest common divisor. Leo needs to find the greatest common divisor of 6 and 8. But he doesn't know what it is. You can help him. I'm sure you know what a divisor is and how to find the divisors of these numbers, so let's get to it. And remember, divisors can also be called factors. Solve all the divisions, and remember to write down the remainders so you can easily find the divisors of 6 when you've finished.
First one, 6 divided by 1 gives us 6 with a remainder of 0. Next one, 6 divided by 2 gives us 3 with a remainder of 0 also. 6 divided by 3 gives us 2 with a remainder of 0. To the next one, 6 divided by 4, that gives us 1, and that gives us a remainder of 2. 6 divided by 5 also gives us 1 with a remainder of 1. And lastly, 6 divided by 6 equals 1 with a remainder of 0.
Very good. Select all the divisions that have a remainder of 0, the exact divisions.
So this one has a remainder of 0. This one, oh, not this one, and lastly this one.
Perfect. Now write the divisors of 6 from smallest to largest, the numbers that divide 6 exactly.
Okay, so the divisors from smallest to largest, so it would be 1, 2, 3, and 6.
Now that we have the divisors of 6, we're going to find the divisors of 8. Solve all the divisions, and remember to write down the remainders so you can easily find the divisors of 8 when you've finished.
Alright, so 8 divided by 1 gives us 8 with a remainder of 0. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4 with a remainder of 0. 8 divided by 3 gives us 2 with a remainder of 2. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2 with a remainder of 0. Here we are is 8 divided by 5, so that gives us 1 with a remainder of 3. The next one is 8 divided by 6, it gives us 1 with a remainder of 2. 8 divided by 7, that gives us 1 and a remainder of 1. And the last one, 8 divided by 8, that's easy, that gives us 1 with a remainder of 0.
Good work! Select all the divisions that have a remainder of 0, the exact divisions.
Okay, so let's see the ones with a remainder of 0. This one, like that, nope, and lastly this one.
Great! Now write the divisors of 8 from smallest to largest, the numbers that divide 8 exactly.
So let's see from smallest to largest, we want the divisors of 1, 2, oops, not 3, we want 4, because that gives us a remainder of 0, so let's change that, and 8.
Well done! Now that you've found the divisors of 6 and 8, let's find the greatest common divisor together. Let's put the lists of divisors together, so you can select the common divisors of 6 and 8, the ones that appear in both lists.
Okay, so 1 appears in both 6 and 8, so let's select that. 2 as well. 3, no. 6 and 8, no, they're different, so it's just 1 and 2.
Okay, now we've got the common divisors of 6 and 8. Just one step left. Select the greatest common divisor of 6 and 8. In other words, You need to select the highest number from the list of common divisors of 6 and 8 that you've already found.
So we know that 1 and 2 are the common divisors of the number 6 and 8. And the greatest one between 1 and 2 is 2. Oh, sorry, and 2.
Okay, we've found the greatest common divisor of 6 and 8. It's 2. 2 is the biggest number that divides both 6 and 8 exactly. Now Leo knows that the greatest common divisor is the biggest number that divides 2 or more numbers exactly. Eva needs to find the greatest common divisor of 5 and 10, but she doesn't need to do all the divisions to work it out. Let's see how she does it. She knows that 5 can only be divided exactly by 1 and 5. And she also knows that 10 can be divided exactly by 1, 2, 5, and 10. So she can write the list of divisors without making any calculations and select the greatest common divisor, which in this case is 5. Can you find the greatest common divisor of 3 and 6 without doing any calculations? Try it. First, complete the lists of divisors of 3 and 6. Very good. You didn't have to do the divisions. You found the divisors using mental calculation. Now select the greatest common divisor of 3 and 6.
So the greatest common divisor of 3 and 6 is 3.
Awesome! You found the greatest common divisor of 3 and 6. Now keep practicing.